Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing recipe for coffee, and this is not a regular coffee, it's a traditional Pakistani Desi style coffee. It's also called Indian cappuccino or soft coffee. So let's see what we need. So first I have half water and half milk. You can use only milk as well to make it more creamier. Then I have these instant coffee granules. You can use any brand, and then I'll be using some sugar. And I have this electric beater. You can use fork or there are frothers available in the market. And then you need some mixing bowl to whip up your coffee, but I'll be using my own coffee cup to do that procedure. So first add your coffee granules and then add your sugar. I'll be using a tablespoon of coffee, and then I add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, but it's totally up to you. You can adjust according to your taste. And then using the same milk water mixture, I added enough in the cup just to moisten my coffee and sugar. Now start mixing your coffee with sugar and milk. That's actually the basic key to make this cappuccino. This mixing is the key, and this brings that frothiness on top of your coffee. So when I'm making this coffee on a regular basis, I just use my spoon and start beating it until I get that creamy coffee mixture. But this takes like 4 to 5 minutes to get there. And if you wanna finish this up quickly and get a little fancier, you can use your electric beater, and that's what I'm doing just to show you guys. And just beat until this dark coffee mixture turn into a light caramel brown color. Yeah, when you start beating, this mixture will start changing its color, and then it will get more creamier, and then you will see our caramel coffee color mixture. And just to be more quicker, I just speed up my video so you can see the final result. And here you can see the mixture changes color, it's creamy, and everything is completely mixed. Here you can see. Now I just boiled my milk in the microwave. You can do it over a saucepan as well, and very slowly add in my creamy coffee mixture. And then with very light hand, with the help of spoon, you just mix your coffee mixture with the milk so everything is completely mixed. And then here you can see all the frothiness, all those fluffiness is on top of your coffee. Just to show you guys, I'm like, see, here you can see. So as I already mentioned, just the beating part is the main key. And again, if you don't have an electric beater, you don't have to use that. You can use your spoon or fork as well. So here's my Desi Cappuccino or beaten coffee is ready. Today I'm having with coffee pull apart cupcake. I already shared the recipe. I'll leave the link down below for you guys. And I'm making this coffee today on a request by Humaira. I hope you like this recipe, and if you guys want to learn something else, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below. I'll try to make it happen. And thank you so much for watching.